What's up? So talking about our barn today, our barn build. Some of the reasons we needed a barn were, number one, all of our junk. Number two, all of our junk. Number three, all of our junk. We wanted to get a spot for washer and dryer, so we don't have to make trips to the laundromat. Lane doesn't have to make trips with the kids to laundromats every week. To do our clothes, we wanted a little safe place where we could put the well inside to protect it in the elements temporarily. Place to park the lawnmower, all that kind of. You weren't even gonna tell me, you're just gonna let her walk up on me, huh? Babysitter is fired.
Ignore us, please.
Turns into crying so fast. And so we looked at a few different, options, sheds that you could buy from like Home Depot and things, and really wasn't pleased with the price tag and all this stuff, and figured we could make it our own, build it ourselves, and be really happy and potentially save a few bucks. And so when we started getting into it, I really wanted to do some practicing on actually like building walls and rafters and joists and things like that, just to make sure we were kind of comfortable for the house. It was a good first starter because we've never built a house before. So it taught us a lot of things. Most things we were already aware of, nothing that just kind of surprised us. But you'll see in the video, we did some piers for the base, and got a level floor installed, and then put just normal walls on top of that, and then did rafters on top of that. We went ahead and added obviously a big kind of bay door for pulling in the mower, but also a side door and two kind of matching windows on either side, just to kind of make it feel a little bit more homey and not so like a shed from Home Depot's lot, but it'll have much more of that she shed feel to it, you know, little hobby room space. It's not what it is, but it just the appearance is a little bit better.
So our first walls were a little easier because it's just throwing the 2x4s and finding your studs. Over here on this wall, we're doing 2 windows with a small door in the middle. Then we're doing a bigger kind of bay door on the end. So, of course, measuring and cutting to kind of fit where the window's gonna go.
So next on the list is we got to wrap it with a house wrap to keep moisture out. We're going to be putting siding up. We have hardy board panels going up, just like the house will get. And then we'll have a metal roof. We'll install a metal roof on it from the local metal company. And then we should be about wrapped up. We got a little bit more framing to do. I got to do the soffits and fascias and things. But yeah, we're pretty close. Almost done.